Welcome to Insightful Dialogues, where we delve into captivating topics with experts from various fields. Today, we embark on an enlightening conversation about marijuana, exploring its medical applications, societal perceptions, and ongoing research. I am your host, Joroge Wakamau, and joining me is Miss Gadoni, a distinguished medical scientist specializing in cannabis research. Welcome, Daktari.
Thank you for having me, Njoroge. It's a pleasure to be here and shed light on this complex, fascinating topic.
So let's dive in. Marijuana has been a long topic of debate, with opinions ranging from its medical benefits to concerns about its recreational use. Could you provide some insight into the medical aspects of marijuana?
Absolutely. Marijuana contains compounds like cannabinoids, the most well known being THC and CBD. These cannabinoids interact with the body's endocannabinoid system, which plays a crucial role in regulating various psychological processes such as mood, appetite,
Okay.
and pain sensation.
Uh-huh.
Research has shown promising results regarding therapeutic potential of marijuana in treating conditions like chronic pain, epilepsy, nausea in cancer patients undergoing chemotherapy.
Ah, you don't say. Fascinating. However, there's often confusion surrounding the differences between medical and recreational use. Could you kindly, Daktari, clarify this distinction for our listeners?
Of course, medical marijuana refers to the use of cannabis and its derivatives for therapeutic purposes under the guidance of a healthcare professional.
Okay.
It involves precise dosing and administration tailored to the patient's medical condition. On the other hand, recreational marijuana is for non medical purposes, primarily to achieve psychoactive effects or for social enjoyment.
So basically for a high, is that what you're saying?
Yeah, you can see that.
So thank you for clarifying that. So with the increasing legalization of marijuana for both medical and recreational use in many parts of the world, what are some of the challenges and opportunities facing researchers and policymakers in this field?
One of the main challenges is navigating the complex legal landscape surrounding marijuana, which varies widely from country to country or even within states and regions. This creates barriers in conducting research accessing cannabis for medical purposes. Additionally, there are need for scientific studies to better understanding the long-term effects of marijuana use, especially on cognitive function, mental health, and addiction potential. Sorry. However, with proper regulation and investment in research, there is immense potential in discovering new therapeutic applications of marijuana and optimizing its medical use.
I think that's a really crucial point. As we wrap up our discussion, what final thoughts or messages would you like to leave our listeners regarding marijuana, Dr. Gadoni?
For our dear listeners, I would like to encourage listeners to approach the topic of marijuana with an open mind and a critical understanding of scientific evidence. While there are certainly risks associated with its use, there is also a significant amount of benefits, particularly in the realm of medicine. By supporting reasonable research and regulation, we can unlock the full potential of marijuana as a valuable tool in improving healthcare.
Okay, thanks. So you mean improving the health and well-being of the users?
Certainly.
So thank you, Dr. for sharing your experience and insights on this important subject. It's been an enlightening conversation, and maybe next time we can have an in-depth conversation about the effects, the negative effects of marijuana, as it is a drug, as we know. And yes,
My pleasure, Njoroge. Thank you for this opportunity to contribute to this discussion.
and that concludes another episode of Insightful Dialogues. Join us next time as we continue to explore intriguing topics with leading experts. Until then, stay curious and informed. Goodbye.